QuickBooks Online has made cloud accounting user-friendly and accessible. Webgility Online aims to follow suit with our cloud offering, giving you a number of options when posting transactions from your stores to accounting. The first thing you should look to do when setting up Webgility Online's order posting is decide between posting individual transactions and journal entries. This can be done under Settings, and Accounting, and then Posting Method. Selecting one of the available options determines how Webgility posts the transactions directly into QuickBooks Online. Journal entries are essentially a shortcut for posting transactions in bulk, with only the necessary or required details like the debit or credit amounts and basic product info. Journal entries are great for accounting or bookkeeping teams that process a lot of orders or transactions and don't want to have to sift through individual orders to maintain accurate books. Posting as a journal entry will change the options available to you in the account mapping settings, since you won't be getting order-specific info like memos or fields, and instead will map your account routing to direct your predetermined income or expense accounts. Individual transactions are exactly that. Rather than a consolidated post of just the important info, you'll be seeing every aspect of the transaction posted to accounting. Information like the transaction type, payment methods, shipping and order dates, and product-specific mapping are all present here. Posting as individual transactions is recommended for those that are either just starting out or don't have a ton of orders, or for those who want to have all the information for every order that they receive. Deciding which way to go here is largely dependent on your processes and workflow, but if you need help deciding or setting anything up that was discussed in this video, just reach out to our support team and we'll get you on the right track. For more information on Webgility Online and its settings, head to help.webgility.com and follow the channel for more updates and info on all things e-commerce.